Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a WIC Benefits Renewal Request Letter. What is a WIC Benefits Renewal Request Letter? A WIC Benefits Renewal Letter is a written communication used by the Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children, or WIC, to inform participants that their WIC benefits are due for renewal. The letter typically provides important instructions and deadlines for the renewal process, including what documents or information participants need to submit to continue receiving WIC benefits. WIC is a federal assistance program that provides nutrition education, healthy foods, and support to low-income pregnant women, new mothers, infants, and children under the age of 5. The renewal letter helps participants ensure uninterrupted access to these essential services. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a WIC Benefits Renewal Request Letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information as a sender. Yes, write your full name. And then, write your home address, including the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient of this letter. You need to write the full name. But, if you have no idea, it is fine to simply write the organization name. In this case is WIC Program Office. And then, write the address of the office or organization. When you do it, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing these information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Since you don't know the recipient's name, you can simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam," or "to whom it may concern." In the first paragraph, write an introduction and the purpose of the letter. Yes, your intention here is to request for the renewal of WIC benefits. And therefore, you can write something like, "I am writing to request the renewal of my WIC benefits, which are set to expire on January 15, 2024. Mentioning the expiration date of current benefits is necessary here. And mention other details too, like the WIC ID number and date of birth. For example is, my WIC ID number is 987-654-321. And my date of birth is January 15, 1995. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about your participation history. Write the statement of the history of participation in the WIC program. In doing so, you need to acknowledge the benefits you received from the program. If you have no idea about what to write, here you can copy this. I have been a participant in the WIC program for the past year, and have greatly benefited from the nutritional support provided for both myself and my child's health and well-being. In the third paragraph, express your desire to continue receiving WIC benefits. You have to state clearly that you want to renew. And you can write something like, "I would like to continue receiving WIC benefits to ensure that I can provide essential nutritional support for my family." You don't have to write the reason specifically. You just need to mention the importance of WIC benefits for the health and well-being of the family. In the third paragraph, list the attached documentation that supports the renewal application. You may simply write, "To facilitate the renewal process, I have enclosed the necessary documentation as follows." Since you talk about the list, here you need to mention proof of income, residency, identification, and immunization records. And here is the example you may copy. 1. Proof of income. Attached are my recent pay stubs, income statements, and eligibility verification forms. 2. Proof of residency. Enclosed, you will find copies of my utility bills as proof of my current residency. 3. Identification. Please find attached copies of my driver's license and my child's birth certificate as identification documents. 4. Immunization records. As required by your office, I have included updated immunization records for my child. In the 5th paragraph, request for prompt review of the application. And besides that, show your willingness to provide additional information if needed. And here is the example. I kindly request that you review my application promptly and inform me of the status of my renewal. Since you request for your renewal status updates, then you need to give your contact information. They are such as email and phone number. And you can write, if any additional information or documentation is required, please do not hesitate to contact me at janesmith@email.com, or 555-123-4567. In the 6th paragraph, reiterate the importance of the benefits. And write also your commitment to family health. Here is how you write it. I am committed to ensuring the health and well-being of my family. And the support provided by the WIC program is invaluable to us. Sure, you can politely ask for the recipient's guidance to process the renewal. You can simply write, your assistance in renewing my benefits is greatly appreciated. And the last paragraph, express gratitude for the assistance provided by the WIC program. Showing your gratitude is a must in every business and formal letters. And here, you can simply write, thank you for your attention to this matter. Show your eagerness too in participating this program. And I look forward to continuing our participation in the WIC program. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a WIC benefits renewal request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.